dun 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 bump.
Oh yeah! Did you get it? Are you done? Okay, next rider. Slack, I see. Struggling. And he's off. I'm going down the hill while Liam's off on the swing thing, and I'm going down the hill. So that's the hill, and I'm gonna go down holding this iPod, which is pretty stupid, and try not to drop it. Well, here's the hill. Here's Bevan. Here's our mini motorbike. Bevan on the swing. Okay, let's go. Down the massive hill. 200 kilometers an hour. What a little bike. Liam's doing a bit of showing off. He's going to stand on the bike and try and go down the hill. So, off we go.